relaxed.
Only bad time.
Disastrous. That's what I like to hear. Not the sharpest fang. It's okay.
He's here, guys.
We will discuss further on board. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
There we go.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it.
Sit back, relax, just spin.
I don't actually want
Oh,
No, you hold
keep moving down. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Hi there, guys.
Welcome everyone, welcome to our vessel, you wonderful and generous. Here is a respite for all of you to enjoy being weird and enjoy being in the shadows. Remember, we don't like solitude, I see sun ourselves. This is a chance for you to be as miserable as you desire and enjoy being in the pit of hell, because this is what we're going to give you. So please make your way.
Picture of Wednesday.
Wave at him. Validate me. Thumbs up. Grim says thumbs down. Grim says thumbs up. Grim says
attention for just one short moment. Before we embark on our fog-soaked descent through London's positions around the vessel that are clearly marked.
We begin our tour with an intriguing and all too often overlooked ecosystem in the center of our miserable city. Now, you damn souls, keep your eyes peeled, operated, or look them through a mandolin, whichever is your favorite. To the right, you see the local children say, if you feel compelled to put on the sand in between your toes.
And where do you want this cello? Do yourself. Cool. That's okay. We'll just get to the wall.
Thank you very much.
You follow me.
One of the blue slushies, please help them. They are licking the windows.
Take a seat, let your service know, and it will be over to you, alright?
What mixed red fruit?
Straight jacket. It is with utter displeasure that I would like to introduce not simply a performance, but a rebellion.
Green colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, while these that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my feelings sad. I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
We will need 2 adult-sized volunteers. Pull you to the cauldron. Step forward. The locksmith. Take a bow.
So sorry, it's the screen behind you.
Goodbye, fellow. Remember, being an outcast isn't about what you can do. It's a state of mind. Bring your outcast energy into the world.
Let's just see what we walk past. Well, I'm alright. I had 2 cheeseburgers.
Sir?